What's the meaning of country mile? Country mile. Country mile.
Country mile. Country mile. Country mile is an idiomatic expression that means a very long distance or a significant difference. It is often used to describe a large margin of victory or a considerable gap in quality or quantity between two things. The phrase may have originated in rural areas where distances were measured in miles rather than meters or kilometers. For example, if someone says they beat their opponent by a country mile, it means they won by a large margin. Alternatively, if someone says something is better by a country mile, it means it is significantly superior to the alternative.